Hola chicos, welcome back to Spanish 55. I am Dania, as you know, and I just came back from Spain. I'm so happy to be here with you today. And today we're gonna talk about a tiny word that can make a huge difference in your Spanish. So let's get started. A ver, empecemos. So let's say you enter a fancy restaurant and the waiter comes up to you and says, "Le ofrezco una copa de vino." Le ofrezco una copa de vino. Probably, if you speak Spanish, you have heard it so many times. But it's a little bit confusing. Why? Because those two letters together do not exist in English. Well, today we're going to talk about it and I'll try to explain it in the best possible way. So what exactly is le? Le is an indirect object pronoun in Spanish. It is used to indicate to whom or for whom the action of the verb is performed. Think of it as to him, to her, to you, or for him, for her, for you. That's how it works in English. So as a wrap up, it helps us to know to whom or for whom something is done. And there is something that I want to clarify. Something really important to remember is that these sentences will not make any sense if you try to directly translate them to English. Sadly, is a word that we cannot just translate because it wouldn't make any sense if we do it in that way. But just remember that le will always tell you who's been the indirect victim or the performer of an action. Ejemplo número 1. ¿A usted le gusta el vino? No. Which means, do you like wine? Let's break it down. Let's talk about it. A usted means to you in a formal way. Le shows who is pleased by the wine. Gusta means is pleasing. El vino means the wine. This sentence literally means, is the wine pleasing to you? So then we use le to show that usted, you in this case, is the one who finds the wine pleasing. Gustar is always used with an indirect object pronoun that says to whom something is pleasing. Vamos por otro ejemplo para que quede más claro. María le dice a Lucía la verdad. We have María le dice a Lucía la verdad, meaning María tells Lucía the truth. María is the person doing the telling. Le, in this case, refers to Lucía, who is receiving the truth. Dice means tells. A Lucía specifies who le refers to Lucía. La verdad means the truth. And here, le shows that Lucía is the one being told the truth by María. Yeah, it's kind of redundant to use le and a in the same sentence to clarify twice who's the one receiving the action. But that's how Spanish works. Another great example is le pongo sal a la sopa, which translates to I add salt to the soup. Pongo is the first person singular. Yo pongo. In this case, we're omitting yo, as we do in Spanish a lot of times. So, yo pongo just becomes pongo. Le, in this case, refers to la sopa, the soup. Pongo means I put or I add. Sal means salt. A la sopa clarifies that we're talking about the soup in this example. Example number 4. A Carlos le pagan más en su nuevo empleo. Analicemos esta oración juntos. A Carlos le pagan más en su nuevo empleo, meaning Carlos is paid more in his new job. A Carlos specifies who is getting paid. Le refers to Carlos. Pagan means they pay. Más means more. En su nuevo empleo means in his new job. In this sentence, Le shows that Carlos is the one receiving the higher pay. Y probablemente te vas a preguntar, ¿pero por qué Le es tan importante? Why Le is so important? So using Le correctly helps make your Spanish sound more natural and clear. It shows to whom the action is directed and helps avoid confusion in your sentences. If you don't use it, and you may be thinking, yeah, maybe I just don't use it, I'm sorry, but your sentence will be simply incomplete. And yes, it's redundant and weird, but then again, that's how Spanish works. So guys, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. And guys, if you're serious about mastering Spanish, as I usually recommend, visit Spanish55.com. Or certified native tutors use a proven method to help you achieve your language goals. So go there and book a free consultation now and take your Spanish to the next level. Una vez más, gracias por ver este video, amigos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Hasta luego.
Hey there! Are you on the road to conquer Spanish? Then you won't want to miss our brand new podcast, Conquering Spanish, brought to you by Spanish 55. In each episode, we dive into inspiring stories from language learners just like you. We share real-life experiences, tips, and strategies to help you along your own Spanish journey. You'll hear from guests who faced challenges, celebrated wins, and used Spanish to transform their lives, whether in their careers, travels, or personal growth. So, if you're ready to keep improving your Spanish and get inspired along the way, make sure to check out Conquering Spanish wherever you listen to podcasts. Subscribe, and let's continue conquering Spanish together.